Good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. So today we
Good
start.
afternoon, Jain sir.
So today we start the question based on equation of tangent and normal. Okay. So write it. Find the equation of normal. Find the equation of normal to the curve. Here curve is given to the curve 3x square minus y square is equal to 8 is equal to 8, which is parallel to the line, which is parallel to the line, and the line is given x plus 3y is equal to 4. X plus 3y is equal to 4. And suppose here you have called 1 and 2. Means what is your question? Plus first you think about that. Here you have to find the equation of normal to the given curve, which is parallel to the given line. And first you build up your concept with the help of figure. Suppose here you have a curve, and if you draw a tangent, so the normal is perpendicular to it. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Understand? So here curve is given, and you have to find the equation of normal, which is parallel to the given line. So this line is parallel to the normal. Here it is given. So how you find that? So first of all, you have to assume any point on the curve, means that is your point of contact at x1, y1. X1, y1. Understand? So that point is common to the curve also. So it is satisfying equation 1, which is the equation of curve. And differentiate it and putting the value of your point. So you have the slope of tangent at the given point. You have the slope of tangent at the given point. And if the slope of tangent is known, you can very easily find the slope of normal also. How you find? You have to take the reciprocal of that and change its sign. You have the slope of normal. And that normal is parallel to the line. So the slope of line and the slope of normal both are equal. So in this way, you have the relation in between x1 and y1. X1 and y1. So first of all, you trying to find the value of x1 and y1, and if its values are known, then you can very easily find its equation. Okay. So first of all, here you assume let x1 y1 be a point on 1. Be a point on 1. So if the point lying on the given line, so what happens? It's satisfying. So you have 3x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 8. Suppose that is your third equation. This is your third equation. Now you're differentiating 1 with respect to x. So right, differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get. So if you differentiate it, you have 6x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So the value of dy by dx is equal to 3x upon y. The value of dy by dx is equal to 3x upon y. Understand? Now you find the value of derivative at the given point x1 y1. Means dy by dx at x1 y1 is equal to 3x1 upon y1. So that gives the slope of tangent. That is the slope of tangent. Understand? So slope of normal. You can find the slope of normal here. So right, slope of normal is equal to, yes, take its reciprocal and change its sign. So you have minus y1 upon 3x1. Minus y1 upon 3x1 is slope of normal. And the equation of line is already given in equation 2. In equation 2, you have the equation of line. So what you do in that case? Only you have to find its slope. So right, slope of line 2. And how you find the slope of line? So you have your formula, slope of line is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So if you are putting its value, so you have minus 1 upon. So minus 1 upon 3 is slope of line. Now what is given? Since normal is parallel to the line. Normal is parallel to the line. So these two are equal. Minus y1 upon 3x1 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So 3 and 3 is cancel out. So you have y1 is equal to x1. So here you have a relation in between x1 and y1. And that gives y1 is equal to x1. So how you find it? You have to put in that relation in equation third equation. So put it in third equation. So you have third implies 3x1 square minus x1 square is equal to 8. So solve it. So you have x1 square is equal to 4. So x1 is equal to plus minus 2. So here you have x1 is equal to plus minus 2. So if the value of x1 is plus minus 2 and y1 is same as x1, so you can say that the value of y1 is also plus minus 2. Okay, so you're right. Hence, y1 is equal to plus minus 2. So in this way, here you have the value of x1 and y1. You have the value of x1 and y1. Now what you do? If the value of x1 and y1 is known, and just you listen here, what you are doing here, slope of normal and slope of line both are equal. So minus 1 upon 3 is also taken as the slope of normal. That is already known. And if the slope of line is known, and this be also known that at what point it be passes, so you can very easily find its equation. So in place of equation of any line can be written as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So in place of m, you have to write here slope of normal, which is given as minus 1 upon 3. Understand? So you write. You can write it as uh, hence equation of normal is right. Equation of normal at, so your first point is what? 2, 2. Equation of normal at 2, 2 is y minus y1. So in place of y1, you can write 2 is equal to slope of normal. You can write here minus 1 upon 3 into x minus x1. Only simplifying it, you will have your answer. So 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2. So you have x plus 3y is equal to 8. So that is one of the equation of normal. In the same way, you write other equation of normal at minus 2 is, that is your second point. So y plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into x plus 2, and taking cross multiplication, you have your answer. Okay, so just check it. So if you are taking here cross multiply, so you have 3y plus 6 is equal to minus x minus 2, or you have x plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. That is your second equation of normal. Understand? So all you are getting this step. So in this way, you can find the equation of normal. So such type of questions are sometimes asked in 4 marks. Everyone getting?
Yes, sir.
So you write next question that was asked in 2010. Okay, right. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which is perpendicular to the line, which is perpendicular to the line. Here line is given x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 6. That is your second equation. Okay. So what is your question here? You have given a curve. So draw a rough figure. Here you have a tangent and a line is given. This is line which is perpendicular to the tangent. Which is perpendicular to the tangent means the point of contact is not given. So first of all, here you assume that so that point of contact is taken as x1 y1. So first of all, here you assume let x1 y1 be a point on the curve. So you write let x1 y1 be a point on 1. So it is satisfying. So you have y1 is equal to x1 cube plus 2x1 plus 6. That is your third equation. You have to put it in the given equation. Okay, and differentiate it. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 2. 3x square plus 2, that gives the slope of tangent. So you have to find the slope of tangent at the given point x1 y1. So you have 3x1 square plus 2. 3x1 square plus 2. Understand? And if the slope of tangent is known, you find the slope of given line. Right? Slope of line 2 is equal to, here you are applying same formula, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So you have minus 1 upon 14. Minus 1 upon 14. Understand? So the slope of tangent and slope of line both are known. Now, what is given? Here it is given the tangent is perpendicular. Means that this line is perpendicular to the tangent. So you write, since tangent is perpendicular to the line. So if they are perpendicular to the line, so m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. So right here, 3x1 square plus 2 into slope of line minus 1 upon 14 is equal to minus 1. So minus and minus is cancelled out from both sides. So you have 3x1 square plus 2 is equal to 14, or x1 square is equal to 4, or the value of x1 is equal to plus minus 2. Value of x1 is equal to plus minus 2. In this way, here you have the value of x1. Now you have to find the value of y1 also. So how you find? Putting that value of x1 in equation 3. So putting. So 3 implies. So first of all, here you put x is equal to 2 in third equation. So you have 8 plus 4 plus 6. So you have 18. You have 18. So one of the point on the curve is 2, 18. And if you are putting here 2, minus 2, so here you have minus 8, minus 4, and plus 6. So your result is minus 6. Your result is minus 6. So in this way, you have 2 points on the curve. So your one point is 218 and your second point is -2, -6. So for all these points, you have to find the equation of tangent. Understand? But one thing, if you find the equation of tangent, the slope of tangent is also required. But so how you find the slope of tangent? But just you listen here one of the concept. Here slope of line is already given, which is 1 upon 14. So what will be the slope of tangent? You can find it directly. So here the slope of line is -1 upon 14 and the tangent is perpendicular to it. So if the slope of one line is known, so how you find the slope of its perpendicular line? Only you have to take the reciprocal of this and change its sign. So the reciprocal of -1 upon 14 is 14 minus 14, and if you change its sign, you have 14. So it can be very easily you see that the slope of tangent here 14. No need to putting the value of x is equal to 2 and -2 in the value of here dy by dx is equal to 3x1 square plus 2. No need to put it there. Getting सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये स्टेप? तो बेटे यहाँ पे आपको स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट जो है ना वो डायरेक्ट मिल रहा है, बिकॉज हियर यू हैव अ रिलेशन इन बिटवीन द टेंजेंट एंड लाइन. Tangent is perpendicular, so the slope of tangent is here 40. Okay, so use it. So you're right. So you write here in this way. Hence, equation of tangent at 218. At 218 is y minus y1, y minus 18, and slope is 14, x minus 2. So that is equal to 14x minus 28. So 14x minus y is equal to 10. This is one of the equation, and equation of tangent at -2 -6 is, you have to find the equation of tangent at the second point also. So that is equal to y plus 6 is equal to 14 into x plus 2. So you have 14x plus 28, or 14x minus y plus 22 is equal to 0. So that is your second equation. That is your second equation. So that this question was asked in 2010. Note it. Any doubt? Okay, right. Next question. That was asked in 2013. Find. Done, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right, next question that was asked in 2013. Find the equation of normal. Find the equation of normal to the curve. Find the equation of normal to the curve x square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to 4y, which passes through the point 1, 2. Which passes through the point 1, 2. Means here you have to find the equation of normal to this given curve, which is passes through the point 1, 2. Means you have to think about the sense of the question. Means that 1 2 point is not your point of contact. Here it is given normal is passing through that point. So first you draw a rough figure. Suppose here you have a curve. This is your tangent line, and yeah, that is your normal. This is your normal, and here it is given this normal is passing through the point 1 2. Normal is passing through the point 1 2. This is not a point of contact. Okay, so first of all, here you assume the point of contact as x1 y1. Point of contact as x1 y1. So assume it. So let x1 y1 be a point on 1. Be a point on 1. So you have x1 square is equal to 4y1. That is your second equation. That is your second equation. Now differentiating 1 with respect to x. So right, differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get, so you have 2x is equal to 4 dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to what you have, x upon 2. And the value of dy by dx at the given point x1 y1 is equal to x1 upon 2. So that gives the value of slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. So if the slope of tangent is known, you can find the slope of normal also. So right, slope of normal. Slope of normal is minus 2 upon x1. And if the slope of normal is known, and this normal is passing through the point 1 1, just you see your figure. Here you assume the normal is passing through the point 1 1. So the point is known, slope is known, so you can very easily find the equation of normal. So right, hence equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to its slope minus 2 upon x1 into x minus x1. That is your third equation. So that gives the equation of normal. Now what is given? Here it is given the normal is passing through the point 1 2. तो इससे satisfy करा दो. So putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in this equation. So right, since 3 passes through 1 2. So this normal passing through point 1 2. So you have 2 minus y1 is equal to minus 2 upon x1 into 1 minus x1. Yes, putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So you have 2x1 minus x1 y1 is equal to minus 2 plus x1. Minus 2 plus x1. Understand? So what you write here, you have to find the value of here with the help of this. You can find the value of y1 or x1, whatever be, and put it in second equation. Understand? So right, here you have x1 plus 2 is equal to x1 y1. You can write in this way and write the value of y1. So y1 is equal to x1 plus 2 upon x1. Yes, right. Y1 is equal to x1 plus 2 upon x1. That is your fourth equation. Fourth equation. Now putting that value of y1 in second equation. Put it in second. यहां तक कर लिया बेटा सब लोग? अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4
ऊपर करिए ना,
बोलना फिर. ठीक है?
यस सर.
सर
या हाँ बेटे बोलो।
सर ये इक्वेशन 3 के बाद वाला बता दीजिए जरा, ये जो थर्ड passes through 1 2 जो है।
Okay, so here it is given in your question, and just see your figure. Here it is given normal is passing through 1 2, और थर्ड इक्वेशन क्या है, ये नॉर्मल का इक्वेशन है, तो इसमें हमने x के जगह पे 1 और y के जगह पे 2 पुट कर लिया, तो ये इक्वेशन आ गया, ठीक है। और फिर इसमें हमने x का मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया लेफ्ट साइड और -2 का मल्टीप्लाई किया राइट साइड। गेटिंग?
यस सर, स्क्रीन थोड़ा नीचे कर दीजिए।
ओके ओके। Okay, here you have x1. So this x1 is multiplying to left side. So you have 2x1 minus
सर
x1
यहाँ पे
y1.
+2x1 होगा ना
Here. This
सर, इधर
side.
साइड राइट हैंड साइड में सर, -2 सर आ गया तो -2 into -x1।
-2 plus x1. Na? Here it changed the sign. Because the slope of normal is already given, na? -2 by x1. While finding the slope of normal, you have to take the reciprocal of the slope of tangent and change its sign. Okay? So,
+2x1
सर +2x1 होगा ना सर, मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो
+2x1 होगा।
राइट हैंड साइड में सर -2 और सर
Right.
+2x1।
Listen. This x1 is transferred to this side. So you have 2x1 minus x1 y1, and here you multiplying by -2. So here you have -2. Oh, sorry, +2x1 is there.
Yes sir.
Correct. So 2x1 is cancel out. Yes, correct. So just I correct it. Here you have value of y1 is equal to 2 upon x1. Write it. So the value of y1 is equal to 2 upon x1. Understand? And that is your fourth equation. Now put it in second. Understand? So if you are putting in second equation, so just check it what you have. Right. So 2 implies x1 square is equal to 4 into 2 by x1, and here you have x1 cube is equal to 8, so x1 is equal to 2. So x1 is equal to 2, and if you are putting it again in 4, so you have y1 is equal to 1. Y1 is equal to 1. So in this way, here you have the value of x1 and y1, means point of contact. Point of contact is known. So you have to find the slope of normal. So write it in slope of normal. So slope of normal is equal to that's right, slope of normal. So put it there in slope of normal. You have -2 upon value of x1 is 2. So you have -1. So -1 is the slope of normal. So equation of normal is y minus y1, means y minus 1 is equal to slope of normal -1 or into x minus x1. So you have x minus 2. So you have minus x plus 2, or you have x plus y is equal to 3. So that gives the equation of normal. X plus y is equal to 3 is your answer. Getting everyone? So this type of question
Yes, sir.
was asked in 6-mark question, but here you think only you, that means hope for 4 marks only, है ना? So that is a 4 marks question, not 8. And the similar questions are also there, which was asked in the same year, 2019. So are you written up to this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so right. For the curve, you write next similar type of question. Yes, right. For the curve, y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. 2x to the power 5. Y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. Find all points. Find all points at which tangent passing through the origin. For which tangent passing through the origin. So first you draw a rough sketch. Here you have a
सर
curve.
फिर से क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दिए.
For what point on the curve, and you write this curve, y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5, at which the tangent is passing through the origin. Means this tangent is passing through the origin 0 0, and you have to find the values of x1 y1. The question is that the sense of question is like that. Means that here the tangent is passing through the origin, and you have to find all the points on the curve for which the tangent is passing through origin. So first of all, here you assume let x1 y1 be a point on 1. Be a point on 1. So you have y1 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5. That is your second equation, and differentiate 1. So dy by dx is equal to 12x square minus 10x to the power 4. So its derivative at the given point x1 y1 is 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4. You can write in this way. Any doubt? Okay, so if the slope of tangent is known, you can find the equation of tangent. The same method is there. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4. That is slope of tangent, and into y minus y1. So right here y minus y1. Now what is given? And suppose that is your third equation. So this tangent is
Sir, x
passing
minus x1.
x minus x1, sorry. Here you have x minus x1, and here it is given the tangent is passing through origin. So right, since 3 passes through 0 0. So if this passes through 0 0, put it there. So 0 minus y1 is equal to 2x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4 into 0 minus x1. So minus sign is cancelled
Sir,
out
12.
from what? क्या हुआ बेटा? वो 12 is there, na? Yeah. The tangent 0 minus sign is cancelled out from both sides. So you have y1 is equal to, you multiplying here with x1. So you have 12x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power 5. That is your fourth equation. That is your fourth equation. Understand? So with the help of question equation 4 and equation second, you can find the value of x1 and y1. So here you see that from second and 4, right? From second and 4. So you have 12x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power 5. Both are equal. So here you have 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5. And simplifying it. So here you have 8x1, 8x1 cube is equal to 8x1 to the power 5. 8x1 to the power 5. So the 8 is cancelled out from both sides. Okay, and just you write in this way, x1 cube minus x1 to the power 5 is equal to 0. So taking x1 cube common, so you have 1 minus x1 square is equal to 0. x1 square is equal to 0. So if you are factorize it, so x1 cube into 1 plus x1 into 1 minus x1 is equal to 0. Okay, or here you have three values of x1. So x1 is equal to 0, minus 1 and 1. 0, minus 1 and 1. Now putting all that values in equation 4 or 5. So as you wish. So you put it in fourth equation. So you write here. So 4 implies if you are putting x is equal to 0, so you have y1 is equal to 0. Understand? If you are putting x is equal to minus 1, so you have y1 is equal to minus 12, and that becomes positive. So you have minus 2. And if you are putting x is equal to 1, so you have y1 is equal to 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. Okay, so what are the points? So you write hence required points. Required points are, so your first point is 0, 0. And your second point is minus 1, minus 2. And your third point is 1, 2. So all that are the required points. All that points are required points. So everyone getting this type of question. So you have to very concentrate about the question. Means you have to check the sense of it. Here it is given 1, 2, means tangent is passing here, or the normal is passing through the given point, and that point is not your point of contact. That is not your point of contact. Understand? So all that questions are very important question. So from tomorrow, all we are discussing the same type of questions which are asked in your board exam, and then only you have only one topic is left, which is angle of intersection of two curves. So after completing that, all we are studying about increasing and decreasing function or monotonic function.
सर ये कौन से ईयर में आया था ये वाला क्वेश्चन?
That is in 2013. Okay, bete. So, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you all of you.
Jai Hind, sir.
Yeah.